We all like good logos. However, it is not easy to create one. Or actually, previously it was not easy to create one. Now, of course, everything you can do inside ChatGPT. So you can do directly in ChatGPT in this environment, or you can go to explore ChatGPTs, and there you can find Logo Creator. It is kind of a specialized version that guides you through the whole process. So what first we can do is let's try to ask it how it's different than ChatGPT. So, okay, it's a specialized version of ChatGPT designed specifically to create logos. Okay, it's focused on design, professional design principles, and direct image generation. Let's see more. Okay, the purpose. Okay, design process, design principles. It is goal-oriented. Okay, so let's create a logo. Let's see what it will ask us. So first, it asks us to decide on the complexity of the logo. Should be on a scale for 1 to 10. 1 extremely clean and simple, 10 extremely detailed and complex. And then color palette, monochrome, earth tones, bold tones, ABC. Good. Let's start with 5B. Okay. What text on the logo? Let's call the company Coffee Grounds. Nice. Coffee Grounds is getting ready. Oh, this looks pretty good. Coffee Grounds with coffee, cup, brown. Yeah. Let's now use 2B. Clean and simple, warm browns, deep greens. Looks pretty neat, pretty good. Yeah. Let's now try 8A, highly detailed complexity, color palette, monochrome, black, white, and shades. Oh, this now looks kind of a psychedelic. Yeah, pretty much so. So let's now try even more complexity. 10B. Yeah, extremely detailed and intricate. This should look probably something like straight out from kind of a DMT movie. Yeah, it does look like that. Yeah. Okay. But there are also other things we can do with this tool, with Logo Creator. We can do additional designs, application designs, etc. So let's try design a sleek modern logo for a tech company named Tech Tutor. Use shades of blue and purple with minimalistic geometric design. Let's paste that here. Okay, how complex again? It asks regarding the complexity and color palette. Let's try with 4A. Okay, that looks pretty good. I would actually use that as my own logo for this channel. Yeah. Let's try 8A, more complex. Color blues, navy, sky blue, and soft teal. Yeah, this should probably look very good also. Let's see. Yeah. Tech Tutor. Here we have a pretty nice logo. Let's try health and wellness logo. So, yeah. Brand called Serenity Path. Let's see what will Serenity do. Okay, let's pick 5A. Serenity now. Serenity Path looks pretty good, pretty minimalistic and rather calming and pretty nice design. Yeah. Let's try then something else, probably the last thing. As I mentioned, it could also create different app icons. Let's create a fitness app icon for a modern fitness app called FitTrack. Use bright orange background. Okay, let's try that. Okay, complexity should be 5 and A. And let's see. Yeah. Oh, this looks pretty good. It looks like Strava fitness app. Pretty nice, pretty neat. Yeah. And let's now try kind of a music app icon. Okay, then we choose the complexity, let's say 4B, yeah. And let's see what it produces for the music app. Oh yeah, this looks pretty nice. Pretty good for a music app. And then you can of course edit, download, and use it for your company or social icon or whatever you need to do. So yeah, it's a pretty neat and nice little tool for logo creation. It gives you structure, it gives you framework or how to create really good logos, and it guides you through the whole process. So of course you can do that alone in ChatGPT, create pictures and logos, but this is a kind of a more guided and simpler, and I would say better way to create them. So yeah, hope you like this tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye.